We'll go fun with Addie and fun with Carly. Today we have these and they have makeup inside. Welcome back. Today,
Carly.
My name is Carly. My name is Addie.
And today we're gonna open these.
Which are what? What are they?
For horses.
Makeup stuff.
It's My Little Pony
Yes.
cosmetic sets. Okay.
Yes.
Some of
Let's
this stuff you can put in your purse too.
Yeah, I'm gonna put all this in my purse.
Me too.
Well, before we get to opening, come here. Why don't y'all show us what all you have in there, okay? Oh wow! Look at all that fun stuff in Carly's box.
Look at
And
mine.
he even has a blinged out box. Oh my word, I'm jealous.
What does that
Look at
mean?
mine.
You can put your stuff in there. And Adeline has all these little lip gloss of all the ponies. So cool. And then she has some more nail polish
She
and
only got one.
stickers.
She only got one. One of this, one of.
I'm shocked.
What's y'all's favorite My Little Pony? Who's your favorite?
This one.
And who's this one? I'm not sure what the name is.
Oh, that's
Is that Rainbow? No, that's not Rainbow. That's
Rainbow Dash. That is Twilight. Yes.
Twilight. That's it. I don't know why I
From
can't
the
remember
movie
that.
called Twilight.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember that movie, the vampire movie? Twilight?
No, actually I don't.
Do you remember that's almost like your favorite movie?
Nope. Oh wait. Okay, I get what you're saying now. Okay.
From My Little Pony. No. Yes.
No, it's a different kind of Twilight.
Oh.
Not this kind.
Show us what you got.
I got this pink nail polish, and then this pink lip gloss with a stretchy keychain with a squishy Fluttershy little cutie mark.
What pony was on that one?
Fluttershy.
Can we see?
It's not Fluttershy.
Yeah, Fluttershy. That's what her name is. Cause she's shy and she flutters. Flutter means animal stuff.
Oh, okay.
So she loves animals and she's also shy all the time and pretty nice.
Gotcha.
And then this pink nail polish that has Rainbow Dash on it. Okay, and then this box that has all the ponies. There's Fluttershy, Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash, Rarity.
Can't remember her name. Which one is it?
Applejack.
Oh, Applejack.
Pinkie
Okay.
and Pinkie Pie.
Gotcha. That
There's
is very
gems.
cute and sparkly. I like it.
There's gems and then on the back.
And she also
Then
has
inside
this.
of here.
She also
You can put stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, I can put all of this in here. Look, just
Okay.
all of this.
Now,
Every single bit.
let me show you mine.
Oh,
I'll mix mine.
Not every
Okay,
single
hold
bit.
on just a second,
Not
okay?
the Germix though.
I got what is this name? Rainbow Dash. This is Rainbow Dash. This is
Twilight. Oh wait, no, sorry. Rarity.
This is Rarity. This is Pinkie Pie, and that's
Rain-
Twilight.
That's Twilight.
And this is
Fluttershy.
No, Fluttershy. No, that's not Fluttershy.
Who is that?
That's Applejack. No, that's not.
That's not Applejack.
That's not
Remember?
Fluttershy and
That's-
Applejack. This is Fluttershy.
Okay.
Now,
Let's
Applejack.
try out
This is Applejack. This is
Twilight.
Twilight. This is Pinkie Pie. This is
Rarity.
Rarity. And this is
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash.
All right.
And I also got the stickers.
Oh, how fun.
Yes.
They go on your nails.
Yes.
You gotta paint them first. Okay, why don't you take your lip gloss, Addie, and tell us what the scent is and see if it smells like it.
Okay.
That's supposed to smell like peaches.
I want to smell mine though. I don't know why.
You want to smell hers?
Mm.
Does it smell like peaches?
No.
She said no.
Mm.
All right, try this
That
one.
smells like raspberry.
This one's supposed to smell like
This
grape.
is raspberry.
This one's supposed to smell like grape. Okay.
This is raspberry.
That one's raspberry. I love that smell.
Oh, it smells so good.
All right, open it.
The life of.
Mmm. Let's see.
Does it smell like grape?
Yes.
What does this one smell like? I did not really.
Peach.
Let's see. This one is supposed to smell like cotton candy. Ooh, I love cotton candy smell.
It does not smell like anything. It kind of smells like. It kind of smells like stores. What does this one smell like?
Smell.
I don't like cotton candy. And I don't even like the nasty smell.
I love the cotton candy smell.
She still has.
Carly, which one does yours smell like? Is what it says.
Raspberry flower.
Ooh, I love raspberry.
Let me see
And
this.
flour. It's raspberry
Let
flour.
me see this one. Let me see what this.
Was that right?
What's that one supposed to smell
Yeah,
like?
raspberry flour. I want to start our nail polish
What is-
now.
No.
Okay.
I want to start our nail polish now.
That smells really good, actually. It's blueberry. I want to show y'all how really nice Adeline's nails turned out. We used Pinkie Pie. And we also used Rainbow Dash colors to color her nails. And when they're dry, we are going to use the stickers that came with it on their nails. And I also want to say this is really good quality nails. Did not think that the nail polish was going to be that good. Barely had to get any paint out, and it painted most of her nail within the first try. And usually the little girl's nail polish usually is not good quality. Whatever you buy, they usually dry off, you know, and chip off real quick without even touching anything. And sometimes,
This one.
yeah, and sometimes it takes several coats to paint one nail, and it still isn't
Carly,
that thick. But
Pinkie Pie dries very fast.
I totally recommend this cosmetic set for sure.
But look how thick that is. I just put one coat on it.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's really good quality of nail polish. Like I'm extremely shocked because this wasn't even expensive either. It was under $10 each box. So pretty happy about that.
Which one?
Look at this, guys. Look how good that is.
I see. That is awesome.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like, I put one coat on there and it's like, I had other nail polish on there.
Uh-huh.
There's like a thick coat on that you could really see it, but now it just covered all of that.
Actually, this one's purple too, but
Yes.
on the same colors. It's
Okay, this is running out.
so this one's purple and this one's dark purple.
That's right.
I definitely
This one's
recommend
dark
for other
pink.
kids to do this.
Okay guys, this is the end of this video. And if you like it, please give us a big thumbs up. If you want to watch more of these videos, just go to Fun with Carly.
And Fun with Patty. And this is how you spell my name. See, and this is how you spell my name. A-B-B and then Y and then
It's ADD.
R-A-A-B-B-Y. It's A-B-C-D-E-F.
Okay, so that's all the time we have today, people. Bye!